What's a secret you'll never tell your spouse or SO? 1. One time I left my younger daughter, middle child, in a hot car and forgot she was there. My wife and my oldest daughter had gotten out and went into a theater where the oldest daughter had her dance recital. I parked the car about 100 feet away and for some reason, maybe because my wife and daughter got out, my stupid brain just decided to go into kid-free mode. To say I panicked 10 minutes later when I remembered would be an understatement. I was mid-conversation with someone and when I remembered her I just turned and ran. No explanation. I sprinted to the car. But knowing it was only 10 minutes I knew it would be okay. There she was. A little sweaty but just sitting there and looking around. Smiled when she saw me. This memory haunts me. I frequently lose sleep or have to pull my mind off it. The thought of what would have happened and how easy it was to forget her will never leave me. Always double check for your kids, folks. Even if you think you're good, or have a great memory. 2. That one time when we went camping for 3 nights I left the garden hose on